Hey guys, welcome to my channel MyPaintbrushTales. I am Vani. This is my first time doing a voiceover. Hope you find it helpful. I am taking a yellow organza fabric and I am going for Fevicryl acrylic colors and camel fabric acrylic colors. You can pick any acrylic colors as well. To begin with, we are going to trace our design onto fabric. You will need a sketch of your design and a carbon paper. Start by placing your carbon paper onto the fabric and trace your design onto it. I am taking a round brush size 6 and starting off with white acrylic paint. You can always dilute your paint with water for easy blending onto organza fabric. I'm taking very less yellow here and I'll blend it with white completely. We are doing this step to create shadows in between petals. Basically, the petals underneath will have the yellow and petals on top will have white. Let's repeat the same process for all petals. For the center, I am taking the same round brush and burnt sienna and creating such dots for texture. I'll paint the second layer with yellow and create the same dotting pattern. You can paint these simple daisies on your saris and dupattas. I hope you found this video helpful. Do subscribe and follow along for more interesting videos.